Hi, it's Chef Rick, and today I'm making sweet corn soup.
Right, here we go. Very, very, very easy one, but absolutely delicious. We're going to start with shallots. Of course, all the quantities will be down in the description below. You want to mince these, so just like we do with an onion, or basically anything whenever we're mincing it, get it peeled, take off the top where the root is, and then with a knife, just work it left and right, keep bringing it back to the middle. Not really, not much skill involved here. It just takes a little bit of time, a little bit of patience. Keep working it back and forth, back and forth. Going to see me mincing up some spring onion in a second as well, so yeah, very much the same process. But the shallots, there we go, I'm squeezing the juice of a lime, just enough lime juice to make sure that all those chopped shallots are covered. And then you want to leave those for around about half an hour, just to macerate. Spring onions, same again. Start with some kind of bigger chops on them, and then left and right, left and right. I keep forgetting to ask this, and when I do ask it, people actually bother. So if you do like my videos, it's totally free to subscribe. So please click the subscribe button if you like them. You don't have to click it, but it means like so much to me. It's just amazing, yeah. For everyone who subscribes, it's fantastic. Banging on there. There's 2 chilies chopped, one green, one red. Could have just used green, could have just used red. I just think it's a really nice mix of colours. And coriander. A lot of people hate coriander. I used to hate coriander. Now I love it. Spring onions. We're now adding the shallots to them. I don't mind if a bit of that lime juice gets in there, but I'm trying to avoid putting too much of the lime juice in. The chilies, coriander, and give this a good mix around. You're doing this to taste. You're making a salsa. So we're going to add salt, a nice big pinch of salt. And just a little bit of oil. Any oil will do in there. That was a bit of vegetable oil or a little olive oil. Canola oil would be a good one. So that's the salsa, which is going to go into the soup, the sweet corn soup. It's the first time the sweet corn's making an appearance. You're going to take your sweet corns. Obviously, you peel them, and if they've got the husk on them and all the rest of it. But basically, we're just going to take the sweet corn, just using a knife. Not a big knife, but a sharpish knife, just working down the side, get all the corns off there, and then these middle bits, the cobs, I'm sure there's a better term for it. In the biggest pan you've got, get enough water to cover them. There's about 2 litres of water there. Get them to the boil, turn the heat down, let them just sit in that for around about half an hour or so. You're just making a very simple corn stock. And chopping wouldn't be a Chef Rick video without an onion being chopped, but this is dead easy. Just chop it in half, peel it, keep the root on there, and we just want kind of these chunks of onion into the saucepan. Doesn't look too clever, that does it, with the old sweet corn around the outside, but that won't matter in a minute, you'll see. So butter, again, all the quantities are down in the description, and then we're going to soften those onions, probably cooking those for around about 20 minutes, and then in with the sweet corn. On a bit of a medium heat here, and now we're going to let this cook for about 15 minutes. Just let some of the brightens up. That's when you know it's ready. So 10 to 15 minutes, goes a nice bright yellow. Add the stock and keep adding enough just till it's all covered, and let it cook down. You want to let this cook on a medium heat for around about half an hour or so. Starts to thicken up, give it a taste test, and then season it just with salt. Another little taste test, make sure it's perfect. Yes, it is. And if you've got a blender, you can put this bit by bit into a blender, but we'll just use my next door neighbour's famous mixer, hand blender, just to get this lovely and smooth. You could also pass this through a sieve if you wanted it really smooth. The next test you do, use a soup spoon, because that's what you're going to be using to eat it. So you want to see what it looks like and feels like on a soup spoon. Red hot bowl in with the sweet corn soup. So simple, so delicious, and there's that salsa in the middle. Now the soup on its own is amazing, but if you get the soup and a little bit of that salsa, it takes it to the next level. All the ingredients sing as one, and honestly, it's amazing. Look how simple it looks. That is when it's all mixed through. Just dunking some fresh bread in there. Yeah, one of the best soups I've made, honestly. Super easy, super delicious. A bit of a surprise because it looks pretty boring, but it's actually incredible. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.